This is a brand new Guardian air conditioner. Or I think it's a heat pump actually. It replaced one of them. There's a Trane XL1800s. I'll go in there in just a second. Got the energy guide. What do you say? Let's go in and take a look at this and get some information. Here's one of these Trane XL18i heat pumps. It's a 13 SEER 8.5 HSPF. It's got Bristol reciprocating compressor. It's just like my Guardian, except it's got like a different coil guard. It's like a newer style of my Guardian at home. It's a model GHGD36S21S1B. It's a free ton, and it's a serial 1W1H3014044. It's from 2015, I think. That's the first time I saw it, was 2015. It's got a Gentech motor. Alright, I'm going to get some pictures of it now. Over and out.